Namaste. Good morning, class 8. Today I have already written there one answer of one question. Moral education. Our lesson is that my identity, chapter 2, lesson 2, chapter 2, lesson 2, my identity. Chapter 2, lesson 2, my identity. Exercise. And one answer I have already written there. Yes, number. What is our public property? How can we protect it? I have written in detail. The property owned by the government or its agency rather than by a private individual or person is called public property. The property of the government, that is not the property of any person, private person. Any land, park, house, building, temple. If they are not owned by any private person, if this is not property of any person, this property is called public property or the property of the government. These types of properties can be used by every people of the nation. Common property. So it is also called common property of the nation. I have given example also. Our public properties are national parks, forests, rivers, mountains, temples, palaces, streets, public libraries, playgrounds, government schools, colleges, hospitals. We can protect them by the following ways. How we can protect? Public encroachment of such areas should be strictly prohibited. We should not give permission to the people to enter in that area without any reason, without any work. We should not give permission to the people to use excess of these properties. So this is called encroachment, public encroachment, illegally or without any purpose, without any reason, without any permission. They should not enter inside this property. They should be repaired and cleaned time to time. We have to repair our public property. If it is damaged, we have to repair them time to time. If there is temple, library, school, hospital, road, if they are damaged, we have to repair. Government, it is the duty of government also, as well as government of citizens also. So we have to repair by the effort of government or by our own effort, by the effort of our own locality or society. We have to repair this time to time, preserve this time to time. Public awareness program should be conducted about their importance. How much this public property is important for us, we have to conduct public awareness program. collect people in the society, in the neighborhood, and give a speech. Teach them what are the importance of public property and what is public property, how much is it important for us. We have to say them, we have to convince them, we have to motivate them. In this way, they will be also aware about the use of the public property, about the importance of the public property, necessities of the public property. So by this way, we can preserve or protect our public property. Then there is other question. You should write this by pausing my video. You should write this. And after that, there is other question. Only few questions are left now. I number. Why should we preserve our national heritage? Why should we preserve our national heritage? I will say orally. Point number 1. It is our identity. It is the attraction for the tourist that gives income for us. Third number point. Our national heritage make us famous or introduce us in all over the world. For our future generation, there are 4 points. Again, I will remind you. First, our national heritage is our identity. Second number point. National heritages attract the tourists from all over the world that give us income. Third number point. National heritages make us famous in all over the world. Fourth number point. For our future generation. 5 number point also you can write. It makes our country beautiful. So we have to preserve national heritage. By my video you can write. So now there is other activities. Work in a group. Make a list of the historical places, heritage sites of national importance of our country. Collect their picture from different newspaper and magazine and stick on a chart paper. Hang the chart paper on the wall of your class. When school will reopen, you will do this work. You should collect some picture of national heritage like mountain, park, temple, palace, and stitch on chart paper. Then hang in your wall. Then 2 number, make a list of heritages located in BDC, municipality, consulting the senior citizen of your locality. In your municipality or BDC, suppose in Mirzaya municipality, what are the heritages here? You should collect, you should visit, you should ask to your senior, to your father, to your parents, to your uncle, to your brother, elder brothers, or people of the society. You should ask to them and write their name. What are the heritage sites located in our municipality? Like if there is any temple, if there is any park, if there is any garden, public garden, you should write their name. If there is any lake or pond famous, you should write their name. And what can be done to preserve them? List. How you preserve your local heritage site. How you will preserve. Preserving way is this. Already I have written. We can preserve by this way. Then 3 number, organize a children's club in your locality and run a literacy program to collect the data about illiterate people and run a literacy program. 3 number is there, organize a children's club in your locality. You establish one club. Club, if you do not understand club, a team, a cooperative, you establish one team. Suppose 10 members from your class. You establish one group, make a group. But in your class, the children will come from different villages. So it is impossible to form a group in class. You can form a group in your neighborhood, in your tola, in your village. 10 students from any class, from 9 class, from 10 class, from 4 class, from 5 class, from 7 class, from 8 class, they may be from any class. So you form a group for 10 students or 20 students. This is like a club. And you work together, work in group. For what? Find out if there is illiterate people, if some people have no education, if some people have not gone to school in his or her life any day, if they cannot read and write any book, means they are uneducated, they are illiterate. You can search for them. You can find where are illiterate people, who are illiterate people in your society, in your neighborhood, and then teach them, like tuition, like coaching center. You can teach them for 1 month or for 6 months. You can teach them. This work is also, what type of work should be that for you? Easy or hard? Boring or interesting? You may feel bored also to do this work. But this work is also good work. If you are interested, if you can do, first you should face many obstacles, disturbance. Some people will laugh at you, what these children are doing, why they are doing that. You might have no time also, because you have your own work, doing homework, going to school, playing, working family, so you might have no time also. These types of obstacles will become there. But if anybody will do this is a type of social welfare program. This is good. That is also one aim for one objective of moral education. In moral education, generally that types of works or tasks or activities are given there to help the society, to serve the society, to do good work for the society. So this is welfare, public welfare program. We can do this work if we are interested. We can teach the people in the society who are uneducated by forming a group, by making a group that is called Children's Club. You can give your club name also. Children's Club, Bal Club, Our Club, like that, any name you can give. And now this lesson is totally finished. Tomorrow I will drop for other video for lesson 3. And now in this time, in this moment, I want to take leave. I want to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Write this in your fair copy and complete whole exercise and learn this question. Some more questions you should learn, because there are many important questions in this lesson. In examination, from this lesson also, questions will be asked you. Thank you.